Philippine Stock Exchange Index staged a strong rebound to finish the week with an over 100-point gain, or nearly 2%. It tracked Wall Street that rallied overnight as investors await a key jobs report. But both Wall Street and Asia had a zigzag session in wake of yet again strong statements from the U.S. Fed and other central banks. The PSEi index itself seesawed between gains and losses during the week, unable to sustain 6,700. Fund manager Jackie De Jesus of Maybank says the peso's weakness dampens the flow of hot money into the equities market.
Still very positive on the Philippines. The key vulnerability that I think the market has is really on the FX.
The peso has fallen by 8% year to date, making it among Asia's worst performers.
They need the market to be outperforming the 8% to be able to make a gain.
Friday showed net foreign buying, but still year-to-date data was a discouraging net outflows, with foreign funds accounting for just a third of volume.
What we need to happen is really the foreigners to come in. We already have the fundamental story on a stock level perspective down, but we need the macro picture.
The Bangko Central's successive rate hikes supposedly should give the peso a lift. Maybank forecasts the key borrowing rate to settle at 4% by year-end. But the local currency is being held hostage by expensive oil imports, which favor the dollar. More demand for the U.S. currency is not good for the peso.
What we found out was for every $10 per barrel increase in fuel prices, the peso depreciates by about 40 basis points.
That volatile global oil market has been a boon to energy stocks. Maybank picks companies with long-term clean energy investments in the pipeline.
We have a buy call on AC Energy or ASEN. So ASEN actually upped its target. So similarly, Aboitiz Power is also ramping up their renewable energy pipeline. So they're looking at a 50-50 RE and thermal mix by, if I'm not mistaken, 2030.
That makes environmental, social, and governance investments, or ESG, more than a buzzword as investors rethink how sustainable business could be. Lois Calderon, CNN Philippines.